A nervous tone in the market seems to be weighing on SOUN stock, down 11.34%. This is Tuesday, the 4th of November 2025. Yeah, it down 11.31%. The stock has been printing lower prices since the 16th of October when it printed its 2025 to its year high. Yeah, that was 21.40. So the stock has just been declining. Profit taking surely going on. Yes, as I mentioned, there's nervousness, about a lot of things. It's the it seems the stock may be overvalued, more overvalued than its peers, and um, the profitability of the company and a whole lot of other issues for a lot of fundamental concerns. They seem to be playing out on the stock. It seems. Yeah. The company is also going to disclose its earnings outcomes on Thursday the 6th. So this is probably a case of nervousness, and then sell now. I mean, if it turns out good, that's good. Yeah, if it turns out bad, but if it turns out bad, at least you're not overly exposed. That's what seems to be going on, and it is largely what we have here on Stock Story. Yeah, you find a link to this in the description box below. So yes, the extrapolation is saying that yeah, low prices will continue to print at least with the current trajectory up till the 7th of yeah, up till the 7th of November. That's Friday, and then after that, it's just going to begin to cycle all the way down and continue. I mean, from there on, so a distributive contraction, if is what is expected to keep playing out. After a brief pause, after a brief bounce by that may play out from the 7th of November. Okay, no guarantee that this will be the case. Actually, from the 10th of November. Okay, projections are currently saying $15.65. Okay, just a slight upper projection that is. Then there's also 16.60, 18.14. These were in place yesterday. As of the 29th of October, it had 18.14. I mentioned that already. 20.89, 23.03, 24.34. All of its moving averages are now, well, I think the 10 and 21-day moving averages, I think they're all severely bearish. Yeah, they are both severely bearish, but maybe the 40-day moving average, I think may still be bullish. I think so. Yeah, 40-day moving average will be going all the way back to 40 trading sessions. That will be going all the way back to sometime in September. Let's see now. September will be somewhere around here. Okay, there's a good chance we could just quickly find out what the 40-day moving average is doing, whether it has gone bearish, or whether it has gone neutral in anticipation of the further. I mean, yeah, not in anticipation. It is numerical. If it's 40 days and it's not in profit, it's not going to be trending. So that's good. Okay, it's neutral now. It's neutral. So this weakness is gradually eroding the foundation of the stock. Its medium term trend is going to be breached anytime soon if this weakness continues. And the 200-day moving average is still trending. This I think has even okay. Well, it's just slightly bullish. So fundamentally, things are still very much intact on the stock. Oh, sorry, technically, things are still very much intact. Let's see now. It should be giving us something positive. Yeah, it should be trending. I think. No, it's not. It's actually you can see that it's actually neutral as well. Neutral as well. So positions opened 200 days ago are also under threat as well. Yeah. So this is yeah. The stock has just been printing lower prices since the 16th of October. So um, yeah. But in any case, it's still this nervousness provides an opportunity to buy the dip as well. This is not to say that you should do so. It is not a recommendation that you do so, but it is also in markets like this that because you'll find that people are the market is, as I indicated earlier on, the market is broadly, shifting to one direction, and it's also in it's if there are enough uh, the see or market participants in one direction or one corner, that is where the market's going to go and find who it's going to devour. Yeah, the market goes to where it can devour more market participants, where it can ruin their account more, where they are the most. So if people are buying the most, that is where it will want a rock pool. The market will seek a rock pool. If people are exiting, if people are getting scared and getting nervous and exiting, then it's going to make them feel FOMO by you know initiating a bounce. So you already get what I'm trying to what I'm getting at already. So the more the market gets nervous, then the chance that something is going to happen in the other direction is will increase. So yeah, here is saying on the 4 hour chart, lower prices up till tomorrow, and then tomorrow midday, and then consolidate. Sorry, tomorrow pre-market session, then consolidate up till Thursday's pre-market session, and then from Friday, this is the so from Thursday in that pre-market session as well, may attempt to bounce. So the company is also disclosing its earnings outcomes on the sixth of sixth, that's Thursday. So is the Argos are anticipating that maybe after selling off right as they've been doing, then they may begin to buy from the pre-market session of that day, and maybe the earnings may be better than like as expected. Yeah, projections are here saying up to $13.5. Okay, we have up to 23.45 as of the 10th of October. So yeah, that's what's going on right now. We could just have a look and see how the shares are tallying up. Yeah, we can see what are we looking at here. Yeah, it's quite liquid. You can see that people are buying a lot. People are buying this deep. Look at that, 19,000. How many shares have crossed this tape? Let me just have a look. 44 million. It's not even up to its 50-day average. Not there yet, and the market has its market's almost closed. Almost closed. So it's not even a big day as such. Not even a big day. Not even a big day. It could be bigger than this. So it could also mean that people they've been selling, and the selling has gotten too much. It could also be that. So we're getting two divergent signals here. It's a light selling. Selling is this is it's declining. Has declined today on lower than average volume. Lower than average volume. Yeah. So it could mean that yeah, this is it could also mean, yeah, people, amongst other things, people are just maybe quietly buying this deep as well, quietly buying the deep. Those who are nervous are probably the ones who have been exiting, and indeed some are not a lot, possibly, or possibly are not nervous. They're in it for the long haul. You know, So yeah, yeah, it tells something there, and you can see that a lot of millions. These guys are buying. They're actually buying way more than they're selling. They're actually buying way more than they're selling. You know, yeah, it's fascinating to see that lot of shares going through there 19,000, 14,000. Just has just remained there at 15.07. Aggressive hands and passive hands all participating. So this will be more of passive. This will be more of passive. passive hand. Yeah, passive. You can see they're all. You can see, yeah, it's quite liquid. People are participating there. Well, on the sell side, that's where we can see. It seems um, it's more liquid on that side, but on the buy side, people are a lot more aggressive. But regardless, selling is going on. Yeah, it's weakening even further. Yeah, so just see what you make of all of this and all that is going on with SAUN. It may be providing a buying opportunity, but I'm not recommending that you do so. We don't have any position, and we will not be buying anyway. So yeah, see what you make of SOUN, and thank you very much for watching this video.